Hi everyone. Cassie and Stephanie here, and it feels like Saturday for us, so we're just gonna show you what's in our boxes. So we both got boxes, and I can already tell Mom's got some cool stuff in there. So we're gonna go through them, what we've got, and these are our LRP, right? Our loyalty rewards program. Looks like you got a lot of free stuff.
I did.
Because she like stocked up in here. So you guys are in for a treat. Here we go. If you guys have questions, please feel free to comment and we'll try and check and see. Ooh, so she's got toothpaste. This
Finally
is the
back.
This is the new one though. You didn't say.
Oh, it's the new
It's
one.
the new toothpaste. Yeah.
This is back in stock.
The shampoo. Yeah. This way. Yep. So this is kind of.
And
All right.
then I got my Lifelong Vitality pack.
Yep. She got her
And
Vitality.
when I get that, I got my 2 PB Assists for
Your
the
PB
$20
Assist.
bucks.
Nice.
And
And then you got that for $20, which is the
25. This is 25.
Oh, that one's 25 because you get 2. That's an amazing savings. You get. I give Molly this every day. I take PB Assist as well every day. I'm taking LOV. Just start back on that. I was off of it for a little bit just for personal reasons, and then I'm trying to go back on, and we'll see if it helps with energy and all sorts of things. Then there's the chewables that are delicious, the kids vitamins, but these are the omegas for the kids. Which this is the adult pack, it has the omegas and food nutrients, and then this is the kids version, which are tasty. But yeah, Molly uses this. Ooh. She's got Mind and Mood Kit number 2. Guess what I have? I have number 3. So she'll get a sneak peek. We don't have to open that one quite yet.
Okay.
We'll set that to the side. What else has she got in there?
Well, with that, I got...
Oh, you got those discounted. Yep.
Yep.
The Adaptive. Yep. And then
The Copaiba.
this way. And Copaiba. There we go. So she got that with the Mind and Mood Kit, which is over here. So this is her box. This is just what she got.
Yes, this is mine.
So did you get your toothpaste? You probably didn't get your toothpaste free, right?
No, because I needed the $10 to make the 200.
Okay.
But these were free.
Those are free. So you cashed in points on the shampoo and conditioner. See, people, if you've got your loyalty rewards points sitting there, are
These are
awesome. So you got
Those are the free ones.
some. Oh, you got your wild orange free.
No. Well, I did.
Yep.
I got Wild Orange free.
Okay, so that one's free.
Peppermint.
Peppermint, she got free. She cashed in a lot of points, it looks like. And then I know you got some of the bonus stuff that was
I
free
did.
this month.
I got tangerine free.
Ooh, she got tangerine free.
Put them in my water. So
Okay, those are good in your water. Oh,
my free.
she got lemon eucalyptus, which is free.
If
Great
you
for
do
stinky.
125.
Yep, when you have to do a loyalty rewards order to get the lemon eucalyptus free. And it has to be 125. And then if you do 200, you get all these awesome On Guard products, the foaming hand wash. This does 2 of the pumps, the Guard sanitizing mist. Hopefully you guys saw my video. If you haven't check it out. It's tips on 2 ways I use it. And then there's the roller and the regular On Guard. So you're going to kind of see some duplicates here from what I got. Go ahead and open your number 2 kit. So the Mind and Mood collection, these are $75. You get a discount on up to 3 add-ons, and totally worth it if you take these, which I take every night. Just dumping it out.
Well, the important thing tells you how to use it.
Yep, the instructions, good. Oh
got
yeah.
Bath salts.
There you go, Wally. He was wanting bath salts. Bath salts.
And where do you want me to put them?
Just in here, it's fine.
Lavender.
And then she's got a roll-on
Guess
lavender.
I didn't need to get Wild Orange.
And there's a wild orange. She's good on her wild orange.
Adaptive.
And then you've got adaptive in there. I use that every night.
And black spruce.
Ooh, black spruce. All great for mind and mood support, feeling winter blues, aches, discomfort. All works for those things too. Good for emotional support. Awesome. She got goodies. Sure. All right. This is what's in our box. had it sent here just because I knew I was going to be here. So it was easier to do that. All right, I got a few things going on here. So, of course, sorry, we've got some duplicates. So I got the On Guard Sanitizing Mist free and the soap free there. And then I've got, see all this. I love how they package it all with recyclable materials. And we've got the roller. So this is when you do 200. This On Guard line is amazing. Then we've got the free lemon eucalyptus. And I was so close to the 200, I needed something else. So I threw in the On Guard beadlets because I put these in my purse, pop them in my mouth when I'm out and about or just in the day. Love them for traveling or at home. All right, and then I don't remember what I got these with, but I got 2 kits. I have the 3rd. Mom just had the 2nd, so this is the 3rd month, which is the last month in the series. I added the Adaptive. I added a Copaiba. I think this one goes with the other one. So that's in there. And these again are $75 each, and you get a lot of awesome stuff, and some of it ends up being free. This is the Immunity Kit. Oops, number 1. I got it again! Woohoo!
You ordered 1?
I didn't mean to order number 1 again, but I did. That's what happens when you forget to turn it off. That's okay. Turmeric, I got with that, and I got that discounted, and I've been taking that every day for hormone support and aches and discomfort and immune support. So, Immunity Kit, you guys have seen me open this before. I've got some doubles, so I think there's gonna be prizes going on very soon. But I do have multiple bathrooms coming soon, so this will be helpful to have some more pumps. So this is the Immunity Kit 1. We won't go through it. It's got more On Guard stuff, an On Guard wash, which I did get free. That's okay. I think that's why I went ahead and ordered it, because I was running low on some On Guard stuff. I gave a lot of On Guard stuff away at Christmas. So, it's good stuff. All right, here's number 3, Mom.
Okay.
You can close your eyes if you need to.
Okay.
Or you can
That's
just
what
be
I'm getting
excited
next
what
month.
you're getting next month. Yep. Which this is number 3, which means I can go in and it'll automatically start all over again.
Anything.
Or I can wait and do more. Okay. So this is what I'm really excited. You can't buy this all the time. This was only in the Christmas stuff. This is the Adaptive Mist. So you can spray pillows, you can spray your clothes, you can spray around your room. So it's going to have the Adaptive in there. There's a Serenity Mist, great for pillow support, great for clothes, same thing, room spray, instructions how to use it. Take the paper out. And then there's a mini body butter. So cute, it's travel size for your convenience. It is unscented, so you can add your own oils to it, but I love that it's a nice travel size one. Then we have the Balance Roller. Love putting that on the bottom of my feet. You can't normally buy a Balance Roller. Citrus Bliss, very uplifting, invigorating. Lavender, calming. Cedarwood, calming as well, very woodsy, love it. So that's what we got. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.
Bye-bye.